I don't wanna talk about the things we've gone through and how it's hurting me. Now it's history. I've played all my cards, and then what you've done too. Nothing more to say. No erase to play. And the winner takes it all, and the loser standing small. And beside the victory, and that's her destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. I figured it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there, but I was a fool, playing by the rules. The gods may throw the dice, they might as cold as ice, and someone way down here loses someone dear, and the winner takes it all, the loser has to fall. It's simple and it's plain. Why should I come